Let's go ahead and talk about the third and final tab that you have access to with this online tool. We have the Videos and Activities tab, which is something that's also really cool and really helpful. There are different parts to it. You have the lesson tutorial videos, which is for every example in every lesson, you can open and have a video of someone teaching it to you again. So if you didn't understand it earlier, if you understood it and forgot it, you can go ahead and go back and watch a video and they will teach you exactly what to do and go through the example with you again. There will be someone teaching it up here, and then over here it'll talk about the key objectives, and then it'll show you what he's writing and what it was actually in the book. As it's going, it's going to define different parts of what he's saying. So that's really cool because it goes along with examples that are in the book. So if you want to review it, you can review it. Let's say that instead I didn't want to be on chapter 1, I want to go to chapter 5. All I have to do is select up here where I want to go and go ahead and hit go, and it'll take me to that chapter and has everything for me. Also in each chapter, let's go ahead and go back to chapter 1, there are different interactives, so things that you can do to go ahead and practice concepts and further solidify them. So for example, here's interactive tutorials for different parts of this chapter. So let's look at the translating words into math. And what it is it's an interactive tool to help me understand different parts of it. I can learn it, then I can explore it by manipulating different things, and then I can do practice problems. So that's another option for if I don't understand a specific concept. Another really cool thing is there's a technology lab, and so it talks about using graphing calculators, and it can show you how to use graphing calculators to explore orders of operations, and it's another video to help you out. Another really cool thing that it has is this tools box, and I showed you a little bit of it earlier, but it really comes more into play here when you're looking for specific tools. So let's go ahead and look at applying rational numbers, and we'll go to multiplying decimals. So it's going to have for me different tools, and let's say that we are doing decimals and I don't really understand the conversion between fraction and decimals. I can go ahead and use this tool, and it will go ahead and help me visualize how you add and subtract or multiply decimals and fractions, which is really cool. And finally, there is this tab to support the TI Inspire handheld. We don't have these, but if you have it at home, feel free to go ahead and look at this. So that's what is under the Videos and Activities tab.